my name's Chris Hoare, Brigadier Chris Hoare. I'm from the Royal Marines. I'm responsible for the Commando Force transformation, so I'm like the Force Design 2030 guy. Well, I've just come from a panel where I've been discussing the challenges of the littorals in the High North with Swedish and Finn officers who of course have just joined NATO, Dutch, Norwegian and myself, who all of us work together routinely anyway, but I would say this is like a convening power to get all these nations together to share their experiences and to be able to see some of the technology, so it's been fantastic. Well, one of the reasons I'm here is I've been here for the Tri-Marine Staff Talk, so that's the UK, US and Dutch, and that's precisely what we discuss, is how to be more interoperable but also more interchangeable. And so that's across personnel, capability development, technology development, precision fires, etc., etc. So that's what we do, that's why I'm here. As you know, the UK and the US Marines have always had a very strong relationship for many years. Healthy competition. We had a sports competition a couple of weeks ago, but we've worked very closely together in the development of our force design and our Commando Force transformation. Back in 2019, we had a discussion at McWill, and it was a sort of a two-way discussion about how we thought the threats were proliferating and how that our forces would have to change against the different pacing threats that we have. So we've been in lockstep with each other all the way through, alongside the Dutch. So I think that relationship's really positive. Well, I think modern day Marine's fantastic, that's the first thing, and I understand it used to be intense, so I can see why this can be better, but Marines like getting dirty boots. I like the fact it's just a Marine thing, because the equivalent in the UK is the DSEI, which is massive, and it's not for any particular service. So it's great to see the young Marines walking around here and listening to some of the panels, and the level of interest and investment that is into them and their careers. And also some of the technology companies who are here, who've got a real interesting product for me to have a look at.